Welcome back to our series on financial education. In this video, we're going to dive into an important topic that shapes our daily lives: money. But what exactly is money? Let's break it down. What is money? We use money every day, but what is it, really? Money is anything that is widely accepted as a medium of exchange. It allows us to buy goods and services, pay for necessities, and exchange value with one another. In simpler terms, money is what we use to buy things, but it's more than just cash or coins. It can take many forms. Functions of money. Money serves several key functions in an economy. Let's take a look at them one by one. Medium of exchange. First, money acts as a medium of exchange. It eliminates the need for barter, where people had to exchange goods for goods. Unit of account. Next, it serves as a unit of account. This means money allows us to measure and compare the value of different goods and services. Store of value. Money can also store value. You can save it and use it later without it losing its worth quickly. Standard of deferred payment. Lastly, money allows for deferred payments, essentially borrowing now and paying later. Evolution of money. Barter system. In ancient times, people used to exchange goods directly. This is known as the barter system. Commodity money. Over time, people started using items like gold and silver as money. These were valuable but not easy to carry around. Paper money. Eventually, paper money came into existence, making trade more convenient. Digital money. Now, with the advancement of technology, we have digital money, everything from bank cards to cryptocurrencies. Characteristics of money. So, what makes something good money? For an object to be considered money, it should have certain characteristics. Durability. It needs to last over time. Portability. It should be easy to carry. Divisibility. It should be divisible into smaller units. Uniformity. Each unit should be identical. Acceptability. Everyone must accept it as a means of payment. Limited supply. Finally, it should be scarce enough to retain value. Types of money. Fiat money. This is money that has no intrinsic value but is accepted by people because the government backs it. Commodity money. This type has intrinsic value, like gold or silver. Digital money. In today's digital age, many transactions happen electronically, using credit cards or cryptocurrencies. And there you have it. A quick breakdown of what money is and how it functions in our economy. Understanding money is the first step in mastering personal finance and making smart financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more lessons on financial markets and economics.